Welcome to Taiji's Origami Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to make this modular unit. In Japanese we call this kusudama, meaning decorative ball. And this is really easy and it just looks really cool, I think. And depending on how many papers you use, you can make a cube like this and also this kind of triangular shape. And the step is very easy, so I really hope you give this a try. Then, let's get started. Okay, let's make this modular unit. So to make this, I need 12 square sheet of papers. And of course I can use 12 sheets of these, but that's gonna be a bit too big. So I'm gonna cut these 3 papers, each into 4 pieces. So in order to do that, I'm gonna fold each in half, like this, and also in the other direction. And then cut these. So now with that, I have 12 square papers. Okay, let's fold this. So take one sheet of paper, I'm gonna fold in half like this. Open and fold to the center line, both sides, like this, and then open. And then I'm gonna bring this line to this line, folding like this, and then keep folding like this, and then bring this line to this line, like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other corner. So folding like this, and keep folding and fold this outward like this. And then I'm gonna bring this line to this line. And then I'm gonna open the other side and then tuck this inside like this. And the same thing on the other corner, bring this line to this line, like that, and then open and then tuck this in this pocket right here, like this. And the next thing, I'm gonna fold along this middle line like this, and on this side I'm gonna bring this point to this point like this, and same thing on the other side, bring this point to this point, and then open a little bit, and then just like that this piece is finished. So I'm gonna repeat that process 11 more times. So take another sheet, fold in half, open and fold to the center line, and then open and then fold the corner, fold further, fold it out, and same thing on the other corner. And then fold the other corner like this, tuck it in, and the other corner, and tuck this in as well. And then fold it in with the center line, and then fold it here, and also on the other side. And then open a little bit, just like that. And then with that, all 12 pieces are finished. So then let's separate them into sections. So then with each pieces, I'm gonna put them together. So one of the corner, I'm gonna put in this pocket right here, like this. And then the other color, I'm gonna put in here, pocket of the other color, like this. And the first one, I'm gonna put in this pocket right here. And then like that, I have one of the sections. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the rest, with the same order as the first one. So in here I have blue and the green, so I'm gonna put the blue in the green. And here I have the purple and the blue, so I'm gonna put the purple in blue, and then green in the purple. Just like that. And then I have that, and same thing with the other ones. So just like that, I have the same 4 pieces. And now we're gonna put these together, and the way I do that, so this one here, purple is going to the blue. With this second part, I'm gonna reverse that. So meaning purple going to the blue, I'm gonna put the blue in purple right here, like this. And then I'm gonna take the other one. So there's blue, there's a purple, so I need a green here. And also here, green is going to the purple, so I'm gonna put the purple in green right here. And of course this is gonna come in here like that, just like that. And then these 3 parts, I can already put it in here, blue and the purple, green and blue, and purple and green right here. And this is pretty much finished. And then we just need to put the last part in here. So here, make sure you don't overlap the same colors. So that's not gonna work. So the blue has to come into the purple right here, like this. And then also here, And then on this second part, here, blue and purple, purple and green. So the last part, green and blue, and purple and green. And then with that, I have the finished. So the last part may take a little bit of practice. And of course, these are not glued in. So if you make a mistake, you can just take it apart. But if the pieces kind of come out as you put the corner in the pockets, you can glue them and then it might be easier. Make sure you don't make a mistake there. So then with that, the modular origami is finished. But like I said, you can make with the same model, different shapes. So if you have 6 of them, you can make a cube. I'm gonna do the same process in the beginning. So just put 3 pieces together like this. And then you're not gonna make another set with the other pieces. So what I'm gonna do is take one and look for the same color, blue. So you have here, blue is going to the green. I'm gonna do the same thing, blue going to the green like this. And then you wanna make a cube. So this kind of naturally comes together like this. And then now, doesn't matter, I'm gonna take a green. So green is going to a purple, so I'm gonna stick this in here. And then this will naturally kind of comes in here. And the other blue also here. And the last piece comes in here. So purple is going to the blue, purple going to the blue, like this. And then these two just kind of come in here, like this. And then this goes in here, and like that. And then with that, the cube is finished. It might be easier to make that cube first before trying this model. And then lastly, you can also make a kind of triangle shape. And for that, I just need 3 pieces. So put these together like this. And then I don't have any more paper, so I'm just gonna keep going backwards. So here, blue is going to the green. I'm going to put the blue, not in green, but now in purple. So like this. And then here, green is going to the purple. So green goes to blue. And the last piece is quite natural, purple going to the green, like that. And then you have this kind of triangle shape like that. Then with that, 3 pieces are finished. So maybe you might want to try this first because it just needs 3 sheets of paper and then go up these. So then with that, these are finished. So as you saw, making this modular unit is very easy. Putting it together may take a little bit of practice, but I think it's definitely manageable. So I really hope you give this a try yourself. If you enjoyed what you saw, I love it if you get the like button for me. And if you have any question or requests or any feedback, please feel free to write anything in the comments below. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.